Welcome to the front of the Infinix Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's just select the screen where you want to add the widget. In my case, that's over here. Just to add the widget, you should hold for a while your device home screen, and after that you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once, and now we can see here all the available applications, what widgets we can add. For example, here the clock widgets we can sorry, I just will remove it. And once again, I'll just want to show you how you can do that. We can see, for example, that the clock app has just 2 widgets, the contacts 3 of the widgets, the Gmail also 2, maps just 5 different type of the widgets here. And for example, the weather has also 2. The calendar has just only 1. This is the calendar schedule. So just to add the widget, you should click here once on each of the widgets, and it will automatically here on your home screen. If you want to move the widget on the screen, just hold it, and after that drag it. You can see that's so simple. Also, if you want to just move widgets between the screens, that's also not a problem. Just hold it and drag it, and we create also the new screens with the widgets. If you want to resize it, just hold it and tap it to resize, and now we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And to remove the widget, just hold it, and after that click here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.